a look at what happens when some of those expectations go wrong. All right? First thing we should check, Bose. Again, Bose is one of our customers. This division, I don't think is one of our customers. They never called us in. Bose is a huge multinational corporation, so I don't know where these products were made. But they make these sound canceling headphones, QC2, and they're supposed to look like the picture on the right. But what happens when they break is they sometimes look like the picture on the left, especially if people fall asleep using them. So what happens, what do people think about this? In the past, you'd have to do surveys. In the present, now we can just do a Google search. So if you do a check for QC2, if you go on Amazon or Google and check for them, you find a lot of reviews like this. And the one line, it's 1 star. Obviously the guy didn't like it. But look at the line I've highlighted. You'd think that something so expensive would be more durable. Again, they're comparing it to something. They have an expectation based on how much they bought it for. Same thing here, not worth the price. And look at this last line. A different type of headphone, a PX3, or a different company's headphone, the Sennheisers, for 1/3 the price, and while they might not look as good, the sound is just as good. What's happening here? The people are going from, remember those 4 types of companies? People are going from the Starbucks model to the Toyota model. Right? Your perception of quality has just dropped, and now people are saying the Toyota model looks better. Does that make sense, Al?
Absolutely.
All right. Sorry to keep jumping back to you. I'm realizing you have to keep unmuting yourself. That's why there's a little delay.
That's okay.
All right. So given that, let's take a look at, again, the same idea. Bose, obviously, if you just look at their logo, you know Bose is trying to maintain that perception of quality. Bose wants to maintain their brand name. But what's happening with all these people reporting the same problem on the internet? 132 people have this problem. This guy's furious. Okay? So I don't know what happened. This is a couple years old. They say the new headphones are better, but this was a big thing. And what can we do about it in simulation?